I just bought this new iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let us see how it looks like and the features, the colors, the shapes, the camera, the cables and chargers, and etc. Okay, let us open it. Very nice. Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max Orange. Beautiful. This is much heavier than any phone I have ever had. This is a special button for opening the camera. And here is the cable. You see the difference? This one is the old iPhone cable, and this one is the USB-C iPhone cable. Beautiful. And here you have a pin for opening the SIM card slot. And here you have also the user manual in many languages. Let us turn it on. So we selected English, your country or region, United States for example. This is the most important step to read this information. Exposure to radio frequency. It is very important to know because it is very important for your health. Knowing the radio frequency exposure tells you whether to use your phone with a phone case or you can use it without a phone case, because a phone case can protect you against the radio frequencies. Battery and charging, lasers, class 1, laser information, hearing aid capability, avoid hearing damage, medical device interface, regularity, Apple 1 year unlimited warranty, and now continue. It has 2 speakers and 2 super tiny screws, 3 cameras, microphone, flash. This is iPhone 17 Pro Max, and you have this shape that many people don't like actually. The corners are slightly different, and this mute button is also very different than the previous iPhones, and a new button for opening the camera. Beautiful. This was about the unboxing. In the next video I show you how to configure and set up your iPhone and make it ready to be used. Watch the next video from the link in the description. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care and have beautiful times.